How do you approach iterative prompt refinement to improve the performance of large language models LLM? Answer. Iterative prompt refinement is a crucial step in optimizing the performance of large language models LLM. This process involves a series of cycles where the initial prompt is designed based on the task requirements, tested, evaluated, and refined until the desired performance is achieved. Here is a step-by-step approach to iterative prompt refinement. First, start with an initial design of the prompt. This involves creating a basic prompt that captures the essence of the task requirements. The prompt should be clear, concise, and unambiguous, allowing the LLM to understand the task and generate relevant responses. The initial design phase is critical as it sets the foundation for the entire refinement process. Once the initial prompt is designed, it's time to test and evaluate its performance. This involves assessing the prompt's ability to elicit the desired responses from the LLM. Various metrics can be used to evaluate the prompt's performance, such as accuracy, fluency, and relevance. The feedback obtained during this phase helps identify areas where the prompt needs improvement. The analysis phase is where you identify the weaknesses or areas for improvement in the prompt. This involves examining the feedback obtained during the testing phase and pinpointing the specific issues that need to be addressed. Common issues that may arise during this phase include ambiguity, vagueness, or bias in the prompt. With the weaknesses or areas for improvement identified, it's time to refine the prompt. This involves making adjustments to the prompt to address the identified issues. The refinement phase can involve modifying the wording, structure, or tone of the prompt to better elicit the desired responses from the LLM. The goal is to create a prompt that is more effective in guiding the LLM responses. The refinement process is not a one-time event, but rather an iterative cycle. The refined prompt is then tested and evaluated again, and the process is repeated until the desired performance is achieved. This cycle of testing, refinement, and retesting ensures that the prompt is continually improved, leading to better performance from the LLM. In summary, iterative prompt refinement is a systematic approach to improving the performance of LLM. By following a structured process of initial design, testing, analysis, refinement, and retesting, you can create a prompt that is optimized for the task at hand, leading to better results from the LLM. By refining the prompt iteratively, you can continually improve its performance, ensuring that the LLM is able to generate high-quality responses that meet the task requirements.